In the grand adventure of life, our brains are the trusty co-pilots, navigating us through the twists and turns of existence. But just like a fine wine, they need proper care to maintain their peak performance. So how do we ensure our brains stay as sharp as Sherlock Holmes's wit? Fear not, intrepid explorer, for I shall be your guide through the labyrinth of brain rejuvenation, armed with scientific knowledge and a sprinkle of humor to keep things lively. Let's start with the cornerstone of brain health, nutrition. Picture your brain as a gourmet diner. Serve it a feast of omega-3 fatty acids found in fatty fish like salmon, and watch those neurons do a happy dance. Add a side of antioxidants from colorful fruits and veggies to fend off those pesky free radicals like a superhero protecting the city. Next up, let's get physical. Exercise isn't just for sculpting washboard abs, it's also a brain's best friend. Picture this, your brain, clad in spandex, pumping iron at the mental gym. Whether it's a brisk walk in the park or a hardcore spin class, getting that heart rate up boosts blood flow to the brain, delivering a surge of oxygen and nutrients to keep it in top form. But wait, there's more. Engage your brain in some mental gymnastics to keep those synapses firing on all cylinders. Solve puzzles, learn a new language, or try your hand at juggling. Because who doesn't love a challenge that involves potentially dropping something breakable on their toes? Now let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, sleep. Ah, sweet slumber, the elixir of brain health. Just like a weary traveler seeking refuge at an inn after a long journey, your brain needs its nightly rest to recharge and repair. So, dim the lights, tuck yourself in, and drift off into dreamland, where your brain can frolic and play amidst the neurons. Last but not least, let's not forget the importance of laughter. They say laughter is the best medicine, and indeed, it is for your brain. So surround yourself with friends who tickle your funny bone, indulge in a comedy show, or simply laugh at the absurdity of life, because sometimes that's all we can do. In conclusion, keeping your brain young is a delightful blend of science and whimsy. With the right ingredients, nutrition, exercise, mental stimulation, sleep, and laughter, you can unlock the secret to eternal youth for your brain. So go forth, dear adventurer, armed with knowledge and a hearty dose of humor, and let's keep those brains forever young. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more informative videos.